Setting a benchmark for accountability ahead of the ADC elections, IPFT candidate Jyotiram Tripura of 26 Chandra Kalsi has fulfilled a key campaign promise. After encountering the family of Sifali Debarma Tripura living in a dilapidated home during his door-to-door outreach, Tripura pledged immediate assistance. During a recent door-to-door outreach in Suryabari Para, Jyotiram Tripura saw a mother of three living in extreme hardship moved by the dilapidated state of their dwelling and encountered the family of Sifali Debarma Tripura. He decided to take immediate action. In collaboration with members of the Youth IPFT Central Committee, a new home was constructed for the family.
Nong bong subawa ni bagay belay ni hambay. Ang gori borok tangmay ang isu borok bisa ta tangmaya. Masabuti bo borok bisa pori maya. Hambay nyong ano ekle subawa ni bagay.
Kojona cerai tong.
Tinjona berikan ni sila kasih. Gam nong zakha.
Chini je mansak jeng boino nokar sagani tal atukrin khagir nai hibun saimi ase jemon wai bethai ne narkel bethai sinami re nai hini jeng saimi haise je jeng mansak chini je chik khomata tongsak chini je chik power tongsak je jeng je mansak asung sung khlai thangnai ebong khlai bo tongnai abono ang joto lukuno koinai I jinisno kebo party jati tatalangthuk kebo mungsapano tatalangthuk ang jotono ani yak hajur klang jotono koinai or kebo jati party ibo hai party klaitung angro kebo no hamia sanabo phaiya hamia sagui butlang nabo phaiya ang kebo no dusrob khlai or kutungnani phaiya ang haise ani ko khaise joto jani samung tangdi tini kesak engthung kufur engthung kekrang engthung CPM engthung BJP engthung Trinamool tang kamuti pramotang engthung IPFT engthung joto jani samung tangui bahai ke जों develop khlainani tini je kwbangma tongoro lama kwrui nok kwrui thikmote tui kwrui aborok rongno joto chaitokha khai tini Tripura je area tongmani je bises khlai autonomous district council ni under tongnai je family kri family rok borok tini sik jorotui bugina nangla khamung joto jani je mansa khlaidi tangi aro party khoroksa party te khoroksa party te khoroksa dusora arop khlai tongnai ba abin bang koinai ibhai ta khlailai de जों bahike agoi samung thangnai chini je khulugjak Tripura khulugjak nukhung je kemajak nukhung nok huk krui mase malungya bihik besana thik mate karimia sumrimia ang nijiru karimia sumimia ibahai rongno जों bahike tisanai sisari ti phainai borongno जों bahike samaj bai baksa miliri tonnai abosi chini daitto abosi chini samung tangtai abosi chini khlaitai जों kebono khoroksana hamia sagui te khoroksana hamia sagui te khoroksana kuloi te khoroksana kutugui te khoroksana yasikai abo khlai te khoroksana nukhung soksagui te khoroksana gari sabai ibo chini develop ni samungya.
Reporter Bikram from Santi Bazar, Chiri Khora.